Hello my friends, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. I'm smiling because today I'm gonna review Pat McGrath brand new holiday eyeshadow palette, my friends. Oh yes, this is palette she used in Victoria's Secret show. Of course I will swatch, I will review. $70, my friends, it's right here. Also, I have so many beautiful items for you to see. Brand new YSL lip glaze. I like it a lot. Then I have a brand new YSL lip oil. This is its limited edition. This is what it keep my lips juicy and hot. What else I have? I have palette from Noir. I have amazing loose powder. I love a lot. It looks so beautiful and glowing on my skin. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, comments below. Original, I'm from Ukraine, and let's start. It's me without makeup. You will see this big transformation. First, I'm gonna use moisturizer. This is its Skills moisturizer, and you can see, girls, I love it. It's 24-hour hydrating moisturizer, lightweight, fragrance-free. I like to warm this moisturizer on my hand and then just press to my skin. You can use this moisturizer day and night. Not comedogenic, not gonna plug your skin, but I just really like how hydrating, how smooth my skin. I did fill my eyebrows already. I like to fill my eyebrows first and then put concealer and foundation. Yes, I'm skipping eye cream because I'm using the creamiest concealer I ever own, and it's from brand Tarte. My color 13N. Why I skip an eye cream? Because this formula so rich, so creamy. If you're gonna apply eye serum, eye cream, and then concealer, it can be a little bit too much, and then this concealer can be crease. I don't use any powder under my eyes. I'm 48 and I feel when I used to be like 10 years younger, oh yes, I put powder, and now I hate it because it looks dry. Or if you're gonna bake, if you're gonna put powder under your eyes, put just very minimum. And I'm gonna leave this concealer just like this. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, even 10 minutes. It's okay. Concealer gonna settle. Concealer gonna slightly pre-dry, but this concealer will never look dry my skin because it's so creamy. Let's take care of my face. Now I'm gonna use foundation from Pat McGrath. I love this foundation a lot. I own this foundation. It's a medium coverage. It's a very light texture foundation. Oops. I don't use this foundation for like 2-3 months probably, and this whole little bit dry, and now it's spill everywhere in my room. I'll be right back. I got little bit foundation on my clothes, but I'm not worried anymore. Oh yes, I have something very special, and this is its Wow stick. Yes, I received this is a little PR present, and I am shocked. I'm using this product every single week because remember, I'm makeup artist. This is a truly magic stick. All what you need to do, put little bit water on your stain, then kind of massage shake little bit with your hands, and its stain, it's gone. If you have a clothes with foundation stain, this is a truly magic stick. I don't know how much this costs, but probably not too much, but you're gonna have this for a long time. Trust me, it's good. And now let's use this foundation. It's very lightweight foundation. My color is medium light, I believe number 9. But if you have a normal to dry skin, oh my god, you're gonna love this foundation a lot. It's gonna give you hydration, it's gonna look very natural and very glowing and hydrating. It's a little bit remind me Giorgio Armani, but this is even more lighter and to me a little bit even more hydrating. I love this foundation a lot. If you're normal to dry or normal skin, you're gonna love this foundation. Foundation is done, and now I'm gonna blend a little bit my concealer, and I like to use beauty blender. Now let's set my foundation, and today I'm gonna use loose powder from brand Sweet. It's made in Korea powder, and it's not your matte finish powder. It is glowing, it is very light. Remember, like Victoria's Secret's models, they all have a glowing skin. Look at my skin, it looks very natural, but it's not matte. It has this nice beautiful glowing sweet. Glowing sheet, sorry. I like this loose powder a lot, and my color is fair. And now I'm ready for eye makeup. Oh yes, this is such a beautiful, gorgeous 12 colors eyeshadow palette, and it's a Gilded Nirvana from Pat McGrath. I have already on entire my eyelid eyeshadow primer from brand MAC Color Pantherly. Yes, this is its eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, but I using this product is my primer. I have a little tape I cut, and now I'm gonna put this tape, I'm taking a little bit this thickness, and now I'm gonna put this underneath my eyes. I really want to create not just a beautiful eye makeup look, I want this look spectacular. This is Pat McGrath Lab Gilded Nirvana Mega Eyeshadow Palette. I love this packaging, it looks very pretty, feels also pretty good. This palette we have with you big mirror here. This is eyeshadow palette good for 12 months and all colors in a bag. I'm not sure if it's new colors or existed, because personally I'm not Pat McGrath girls, but truly when I saw this palette on Nordstrom.com, I'm like, oh my god, I need these colors. I swatch for you, let's look it together. First color, it's a beautiful light pink color, and we have a small tiny yellow sparkles. Then we have again very soft pigment light blue color, and we have a tiny sparkles. Ooh, third color I like a lot. It feels very creamy, it goes so smooth, and it's a brown with a little bit burgundy shift, and we also have sparkles. And last color also feels like a butter. It's a I will say chrome eyeshadow, and it's definitely you can see, we see here orange, we see here green, we see here yellow. It's a beautiful. Last two colors I like a lot. Then we have a metallic taupey color. Then we have a I will say purple color, but I wish this purple color a little bit more intense. With this pretty, we have a tiny small pinky sparkles, but I want more small, more creamy, more pigment. Then another color, third color from this road, I love a lot. Oh, it goes so smooth and pretty and have nice color. Then we have a beautiful beautiful, again, soft burgundy color, and we have here small tiny sparkles. Like this color a lot. Last 4 colors, we have a very smooth, very soft, pigmented. I like texture of this matte eyeshadow. I wish she give us few more matte colors, but in this palette we have only one, and 100% everybody uses colors, the middle color. Then we have a beautiful bronzy color, and then we have a gorgeous sea blue color, and have little tiny yellowy blue sparkles. And last colors, it's teal. I love this color a lot. Hope camera show all colors really good. So far, yeah, it's okay. I need to play, and but nothing yet wow me, or I will not say, oh my god, I must have this. I'm gonna try this palette on my eyes, and I will give you a very honest opinion. First color, which one I'm gonna use, it's a matte color in this palette. I'm gonna apply in the corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna push this color a little bit up. It's my socket area. We need to push this color a little bit up. It's a very beautiful soft pink color. Now I'm gonna use this color, and I'm gonna apply this color on the corner of my eyes. We're gonna blend later on. I have a big blending brush, and let's just blend. Now I'm gonna remove my tape. Woohoo! Now I have my little finger, and let's use this blue color. I'm gonna apply right here in the center of my eyes, and I'm gonna bring all the way to a corner. This color, it is very pretty, but is this color really pigmented? No, I need to work and build color. Wow, look at this shift. This is so pretty color. I like this blue sparkles. Also, if you don't want to use blue, you can use this purple too. Now I have a small tiny brush, and we're gonna use this light pink color, and I'm gonna apply in the corner of my eyes. Time to use eyeliner, and this is eyeliner from brand MAC Hellbent. It's not a black, it's kind of like grayish teal color, and I'm gonna apply really close to my lashes. Wow, I love this eyeliner a lot. It is kind of grayish tealish color, and it's just so pretty. I'm gonna little bit soft underneath. Eyeliner is done, and now I have a small tiny brush. I'm gonna use on top of my eyeliner this beautiful teal color, just for a little bit extra pop. Let's add this color little bit underneath, and this is kind of tricky color. It sheds a lot. We're almost done with this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use my finger because we need little bit bring deepness to the end of my eyes. Just a little bit like this. Pack when I work with brush, it's not give me this dark color, which one I want in the corner of my eyes or for my crease. And now I am happy. 50-50. I kind of like these colors and not. Some eyeshadows it's really pigmented, some it's not, like this light blue, which one in the center of my eyes have a very soft pigment, and I need build and pack. And even this dark color, I just need to use my finger, not even my brush. Pack. Let's finish this eye makeup with Pat McGrath mascara, and this is its volume mascara named Dark Star. This mascara give me very nice volume. I'm not gonna complain. Let's add little bit bronze. Today I'm gonna use Pat McGrath bronze and I'm gonna apply very close to my hairline, little bit underneath. One more time, look at my face, how beautiful and glowing. I really like this loose powder and of course foundation too. For extra glow and little pop, I'm gonna use brand new NARS palette. I love this palette a lot. We have with you matte colors, we have with you shimmer colors. You can use this palette for the eyes, you can use this palette for the face. This is its 100% approved palette, my friends. Again, it's limited edition for holidays. I'm gonna link below all products I'm gonna use. This is it's a shimmer color. I'm gonna apply is my blush very softly. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love this glow. My eyes, it's pop. Face, it's glowing. And let's do something very soft and neutral, sexy for my lips. Yes, I do have Pat McGrath lip gloss, but you know what? I think YSL Candy Glaze gonna work a little bit better. These two colors, it's limited edition. They're $43. It's YSL Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick. I have two color. Number 21, it's a shimmery nude, the lightest color, and then I have number 22, shimmer rose. Okay, let's try them on my lips. Color 21, it is very pretty, have this slightly pinky shade, very creamy, very hydrating. Personally, I like the color, but I'm never crazy about this product for one reason. It's applicator. Products, I feel it's little bit too soft. I feel the need to little bit make this formula more stronger, more harder. This is how I will explain. Sorry for my English, but did this color look pretty on me? Absolutely, 100%. So pretty, right? Also, I have very cute lip oil. This is so pretty and unique color. Let's try this color. Let's put this color on top. Have very big applicator. Wow, I like this big applicator. Now my lips look so juicy, pretty. I have this nice, beautiful, pearly pink shift. Wow, I love it, my friends. Now I'm trying color number 22. This is its color 22. Very pretty color, my friends. It's a soft pink color. My lips look so juicy, so good. I love this. Compared to first color have a little bit white iridescent shift. This is just soft, pretty pink color. Let's add now this lip oil on top. Again, such a beautiful colors, my friends. Wow, I like this two lipstick a lot. Let me know in the comments below, do you like color number 21 or color 22? They all look so pretty to me. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I hope you have a good time with me. Subscribe, comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, hold on 1 second, my friends. What should I say about this palette? If you like colors, if you don't have a chrome metallic eyeshadow, you need this palette. But if you like neutral colors, if you like palette just for everyday for work, just skip. Love you, Mosaic Ice Cream, one more time, and I will see you in my next video, my friends.